Welcome. If you're tired of getting constant in-app alerts every time someone comments with a photo on your Pinterest posts, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to stop those notifications so you can enjoy Pinterest without interruptions. Let's get started with this quick and easy guide. Updated for 2025. First, unlock your phone and open the Pinterest app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. This will take you straight to your Pinterest profile page. Next, at the very top of your profile, tap on your profile picture. This opens up your profile settings, where you can find all the options to customize your Pinterest experience. Now, scroll down until you see the notification option and tap on it. This is where you control all the alerts you receive from Pinterest, including comments, likes, and more. Once you're in the notification settings, look for the section labeled Pins You Saved. Under this section, you'll see an option called Comments with Photos. Tap on it to open the specific notification settings for photo comments on your saved pins. Here's the final step. You'll see an option labeled In-App. This is the toggle that controls whether Pinterest sends you notifications inside the app for photo comments. Simply switch this toggle off. Once you do, you'll stop receiving those in-app alerts for photo comments on your saved pins. And that's it. You've just taken control of your Pinterest notifications. Now you can browse, pin, and get inspired without unnecessary interruptions from photo comment alerts. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and Pinterest tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.